Dear friends, today's topic is how to set up payments on WhatsApp. Right, this is the topic for today, and also how to make payments using WhatsApp. Now go to WhatsApp. So before going to WhatsApp, you need to update the WhatsApp, right? So once you update the WhatsApp, then tap this button icon which is at the bottom of your phone in your message section. Then click on payments. Now once you tap payment, you have to add your bank account. So once you add the bank account, you can send and receive money right from where you chat. Okay, you can send and receive money very securely, right? You need to accept and continue. So once you accepted it, you need to select your bank account. Various banks are available. You need to select your specific bank. So I have selected the bank. Then once you select the bank, you need to verify your phone number, and you have to make sure that the phone number registered with your bank is same as your WhatsApp number, right? Otherwise it will not work out. You cannot be able to transfer money through WhatsApp, right? So now click verify via SMS. Right, once that is done, you need to select a bank account to add, right? And these bank accounts should be linked to your phone number already with the bank. So type all the bank details. So once that is done, it says bank account added. Now click done. Now fourth step is you need to set up your UPI pin for secure payment. And if you don't have a UPI pin yet, you have to verify your debit card details to create one. So let us verify the debit card. Right. So before sending money, you need to verify the debit card linked to the bank account number. Click continue. Now you need to enter the last 6 digits of the debit card linked with the bank account. Right, last 6 digits you need to enter, and also the expiry date. That is the month and year of expiry. After that, you need to click verify card. After entering, click verify card. Now you can set up your UPI pin. You will need to enter your UPI pin for account whenever you send payments. So let us set up UPI pin. Click that icon. Now it is requesting for OTP, right? So enter the OTP that has been received in your registered mobile number. Then set up a UPI pin. Now click tick mark. So again confirm the UPI pin. Again tick mark. So it is setting up the UPI pin. UPI pin for the bank account was set successfully. Click OK. Now you can send money to your family and friends. Remember, don't share your card information or your UPI pin to anyone. So now let us see how to send money on WhatsApp. Earlier we have seen how to set up payments on WhatsApp. Now after setting up the payments on WhatsApp, let us see how to send money on WhatsApp. You can easily send money via WhatsApp. Please watch. Now tap this icon in the WhatsApp. Click on this icon, click payment or tap payment. Enter the amount. Entering 350 rupees. Click send button. Now verify the UPI pin. Enter the UPI pin. Click tick mark. Now the message is going. It is sending to so and so person. It says processing. Once processing or sending of money is done, it will be completed. Yes. Amount 350 has been sent. Remember, don't share your card information or your UPI pin with anyone else. You can easily send money in WhatsApp just like sending an SMS. This payments on WhatsApp was recently introduced in India. And with payments on WhatsApp, it is highly secure. Sending money is secure. A UPI pin helps protect every payment you make on WhatsApp. All the payments that you make are secured, also fast. Also, it is easy to look back at your transactions. There is an anti-fraud monitoring system in WhatsApp. This helps protect you from unauthorized activity. If something does not look right, customer support is available to assist you. Your security comes first with WhatsApp payment. Now let us see how to send money to a UPI ID. Okay, go to payments, click that three dots, click payments, tap new payment, click new payment, select send to a UPI ID option. Select the option send to a UPI ID. Enter and verify the recipient's UPI ID. Enter the UPI ID. Click verify. Enter the amount. So I am sending 350 rupees. Click next. Verify with UPI pin. Enter the UPI pin. It's processing. Transaction completed. Success. You can send money to family and friends like this. Don't share your card information or UPI pin. Now let us see how to send money using QR code. Right. This will be very useful in the case of purchase or payment in supermarkets or any stores. Go to payments in WhatsApp. Go to these three dots. Click that payment. Tap new payments. Select scan QR code option. Scan QR code. Make sure you scan the QR code correctly and verify the recipient's detail. So UPI ID found. Send or request money. Click it. Enter the amount. Paying 350 rupees. Click next. Verify with UPI pin. Enter the UPI pin. Click tick. Processing. Processing completed. Now you can easily pay for groceries or purchase everyday items using the QR code. Don't share your card information or UPI pin with anyone else. Now let us see few tips to avoid fraud when using WhatsApp payments. Don't share your OTP or financial information with anyone. So messages through WhatsApp may come like this: I'm stuck on the road, I need money, can you give me your bank account information? Please do not respond to those WhatsApp messages. Don't share your OTP or financial info with anyone else with messages like this. This is a fraud. You can easily block it. Report and block. You will no longer able to receive such messages. Also, do not open any unknown or suspicious links. See messages like this, WhatsApp messages or messages like this. You won a prize. Click the below link to get it. Don't open any unknown or suspicious links. Like this. It is also a fraud. Block it. Also report and block. Also, approving a payment request will withdraw money from your account. So don't approve any payment request that you receive unless it is from your well-known sources. See here, you may receive messages like this requesting from you, right? Pay or decline, right? If you click on pay, it is assumed that you are approving a payment request. This will make money withdrawn from your account. So you need to just decline it. Suppose in case if you accept, by entering the UPI PIN, payment to the concerned person will be completed and the amount will be deducted from your account. Therefore, only accept a payment request from trusted contacts. Just decline it. That is the best way to be secure. So request declined. So let us see a few other tips to avoid scams when using WhatsApp payment. Normally, WhatsApp will not proactively reach out to customers for payment or bank information. So you should always keep that in your mind. If you receive any messages seeking bank information from you, right, see like this, hey, this is WhatsApp, can you send us your bank information? Please do not provide any bank information or payment details. It is a scam or fraud. Please block it, also report it. Only send and receive money from people you know and you trust. See, messages may come like this. Don't believe. Please send me 1,000 for a taxi to escape, then I will send you 1 lakh rupees. Don't respond to such messages. Only send and receive money from people you know and trust. It's a scam. Block, also report. Thank you friends.